Okay, I'm very impressed with this cardigan. I got the small in coffee brown, and I mean, sleeves are not too bad. They'll hang like this. There'll be a little move up, but I usually have my sleeves rolled up, or you can go bigger in size, but I love the fit, not boxy, super soft. Very versatile, easy to dress up, easy to dress down, and it's really comfortable, not itchy at all, which is something I was worried about. But I also just read a lot of like inconsistency with reviews, so I thought I would just give it a try, and I am really impressed. So this cardigan is very cozy. I actually got it in another color as well. And I love that you can wear with jeans, shorts, whatever you want, dress it up, not boxy. And this is really it. I absolutely love it. It has a little bit of a preppy look. I love the buttons, the detailing, and I absolutely recommend this cardigan. It's an easy go-to to feel a little bit put together as a mom with the fall season coming up, and you know, all of that good stuff. So bottom line, I cannot recommend this enough.